So basically in this, we will discuss the automating the Tally development language functions through Microsoft DAX, and I'll just tell you what it is. For example, this is your TDL code and we frequently use collection fields, right? So these collection fields are quite memory intensive. Alternatively, we have a different format wherein, we go from a branch to branch down at the hierarchical data. So basically what it is that it is looking up across various hierarchies. And your specific problem comes in when you need to go from journal to ledger and there are custom functions involved. For example, in the TDL development, there are thousands of functions involved. So one needs to know exactly which function is to be used. It's very, very complex, right, to do it. So we can make it very, very easy. First of all is that we can go across the ledger as well as the journal view, and we can extensively use lookups, right? So that I do not need to know all the complex TDL functions. In case you can have multiple values to pick, then what you can do is that you can use a row level and a filter level context. So these two are the columns to pick up and to look at, and this is the value to be picked. And these modules are ready-made within the product. So how exactly it will work is, so for example, I go onto the web, and in the web, I go here, and within the web, I go on to my report, and I'll use these functions here. So I'm basically going to be using these two functions to make a report. One is with the lookup and this thing. So I will go down to my stock item view. This is my stock item view. I will pick up my company name, I will pick up my stock item name. So I'll go down here. Is it clear? Now what happens is I want to get the total sales value. So I go here. Right. But along with it, for the party ledger name, which is here, I also want to go up and get my group values. So I want to see which ledger does it belongs to, ledger parent and ledger group. You see this? So now it becomes very, very easy. So I do not need to use tally functions. I've simply used a lookup and actually got the value from the ledger at the item level. Thank you very much for your time.